Hello guys, in this video I will show you the latest update coming from Gemini. They have released a official Google Chrome extension for every Chrome browser. So by default now if you install Google Chrome, Gemini will be coming right inside your browser as an option. So you will see this option appearing at the top of the browser like Ask Gemini. So if you now install Google Chrome, this option will come directly by default. So this is actually, you can search right here, Ask Gemini Chrome, the very first update which comes directly. So this is actually the official extension by Gemini AI. So it's now directly available inside your Google Chrome browser. So now while you are navigating any kind of web page, you are directly get access to the Gemini AI directly. So this is actually their official extension and you don't need to do anything. So by default, if you're using Google Chrome, you need to be using the actual latest version. If you're not seeing this option, just make sure that you are on the latest version. Go to About Chrome and just make sure that you are using the latest version of Google Chrome. So it will automatically update in the background and it will have this option of Ask Gemini. So once you see this option, just click this option and now the Gemini AI will set up automatically for you and you will see this option of the chat prompt. So right here you can ask anything related to the website you are browsing. So let's suppose I go to any kind of website. So I am on this website react.dev. So automatically this website is captured as you can see inside the chat prompt. So I can simply say, please provide some information about this website when it was created. So you can actually get information related to whatever application you are browsing and now the Gemini AI will actually extract useful information related to this website, such as the website you are viewing is the official documentation site for React. It was launched in March 2023. So all these things, it will exactly useful information it will give you. So directly you can actually access the latest Gemini AI model directly. So this is the latest update which is added directly inside your Google Chrome browser. This Ask Gemini button is directly available. So this lets you actually also add different tabs as well. You can also add multiple tabs as well right here. You can also build any kind of application directly inside the browser. So you simply type the prompt and now the Gemini AI will start building out the application for you with all the relevant code generated directly inside your browser. So this extension is quite easy. It comes by default in every Chrome browser. So this makes it easy for you to actually, it saves your time as well because the option is directly available inside the browser as a sidebar option. You can navigate this and actually ask questions. So you no longer need to go to Gemini website directly. This option is available, Ask Gemini. From here you can actually see all the options directly. Gemini AI assistant right inside your browser as an option. You can also click this go live button to actually go live as well. So you also have ability to switch the different models right here. You can even, instead of typing it, you can also use your microphone and then ask any kind of question. So this is the insane update that I was talking about. Definitely check this out.